Hi everyone, and welcome to 9950 Bellbrook Road in Milton, Florida. We are in the 32583 today. I've got a really unique property to show you today. It is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home sitting at just under 1,500 square feet, but it is on 2.4 acres of land, that of which is fully fenced. You've also got some other buildings on the property. But just look at this beautiful, beautiful acreage. You've got mature pine trees to the left. You've got other mature trees, great landscaping. So peaceful and beautiful out here. Let me zoom back over to here. Just right there is the gate for access, and this is a corner lot. So right when the road hits a bend is when you would pull into the driveway. All right, so as I mentioned, there are other structures on the lot. As you can see, there is a larger pole barn, and it does have an amp for an RV. You have the house, of course, itself. In addition, you do also have a shed for yard storage, a shipping container for extra storage, and then you have a insulated 12 by 20 shed that has electricity, insulation, so it is truly a detached living space. They are currently using it as a garage or a gym. So lots of options with what you can do there. So this is the access to the back of the house. And then here is yet another structure. You've got a 2-car carport, or let's say 2-car, maybe more, carport right here. And then this is where you would access the home. More yard space just past here. And just back there is the shipping container. All right, let's go inside. And as we go up on this covered porch area, you can see the other buildings just right there. So this one is the shed for storage, and this one is the gym area, which I will take you to in the end. Okay, so coming inside, you land immediately in the laundry room. So you can use this kind of as a mudroom area, but you do have your washer dryer hookups, your cabinetry, access to the covered porch just right here. And then we will go on into the kitchen. There is no carpet in this home. You've got hard flooring all throughout. First coming in, you've got this beautiful wall of windows to just overlook the property. And then you have the kitchen area. So you do have an island. White appliances, a nice double sink, lots of cabinetry here on the island, and this does have a breakfast bar area on the back here, so you could have added seating. You got a tiled backsplash, modern white cabinetry. So you've got a great sized kitchen, and that will lead you into the formal dining area. This could be used as a living room. You do have a ceiling fan in here. This is a large dining table, so you've got plenty of space. You've got a nice large wall here separating the kitchen and this dining area. And then you can see how this just loops back around into the kitchen. So you do have 2 bedrooms and a full bathroom on this side of the house. So the primary bedroom is just to our right, and it is split. Here is the living area. You do have a nice cathedral ceiling in here, a ceiling fan. You do have a sliding glass door that is frosted to really help with the sunlight. And as you can see, they've got their TV mounted just right there. This is kind of cool. You've got a cat insert right there that can convey, or it can go, completely up to you. And this is absolutely just wrapped in windows, so there's a lot of natural light coming in. There is a newer roof on this property as well. So something you don't have to worry about with insurance. Okay, coming into the primary, this looks to be a king bed, so it's quite spacious in here. We've got a bright double window, a vaulted ceiling here, a ceiling fan. There's a walk-in closet right through here. And coming into the primary bathroom, you do have double vanities, under sink storage, bright vanity lighting, and then you do have closets just through those mirrored doors. Your shower is right behind the vanity here, so let me come in here and shut the door. So you do have a standing shower. Additional closet space right in here. But really the depth of these, this closet through the sliding glass door is pretty great. So as you can see, it goes all the way back there. So it's got some really nice depth to it for added storage. You do have a frosted window in here to allow in some natural light. Yeah, great size primary bedroom and bathroom. Let's go across the house and look at the other two bedrooms. And something kind of cool with this primary bedroom, you do have the modern barn door. Okay, the other two bedrooms are being used as a library. So you've got these really cool shelves. You've got a bright double window. It's very, very sunny today, letting in lots and lots of light. Do have a closet right through that door with the mirror there. So another room with some nice depth. And you do have a ceiling fan in this room as well. The other bedroom is just right next to this one. And as you can see, there is plenty of room in here for a desk. You could easily add a bed in here and it would still be quite spacious. And the closet is just right there. The bathroom is just adjacent, and here you do have a tub shower combo. Single vanity, and I was looking to see if that is a medicine cabinet. You do have under sink storage with the vanity there, and of course the commode. All right, guys, here is an overview of the main living area. And let us go outside and we will look at the shed area. Okay, we are now behind the home. Here is the shed for added storage. And here is the insulated shed with electricity. And more on the property as we are walking. Love how the perimeter has all the trees around it. Just feels so private. All right, this is a 12 by 20 shed. Once again, they are using it as a gym. So we'll just do a quick overview in here. We've got the wall unit. And we are in June, so it is a warm one today and it feels quite nice in here. But yeah, so many options as to what you could do here. You could keep it as is. You could use it as a guest space. You could use it as a she shed. There's lots of options with 2.4 acres. All right, guys. Thank you so much for joining me on the tour of 9950 Bellbrook Road. We are in Milton, Florida today. A 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, just under 1,500 square feet. Newer roof, fully fenced, 2.4 acres. This property is so well maintained, so clean, and truly just one of a kind if you are looking for space up in Milton. So come check this property out. Thanks, guys.